Hi friends, welcome to Learning Step by Step. Today, we'll be learning CVC words with the short A sound. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! The first word ending we'll be looking at is AT. AT says at. Can we say it together? At. At. Here are some CVC words that end with at. K. At. Cat. Cat. At. Hat. Hat. B. At. Bat. Bat. M. At. Mat. Mat. Great job, kids! Let's try again. Cat. Hat. Bat. Mat. Good job! The next word ending we'll be looking at is AG. AG says ag. Can we say it together? Ag. Ag. Here are some CVC words that end with ag. W. Ag. Wag. Wag. T. Ag. Tag. Tag. B. Ag. Bag. Bag. R. Ag. Rag. Rag. Great job, kids! Let's try again. Wag. Tag. Bag. Rag. Good job! The next word ending we'll be looking at is AN. AN says an. Can we say it together? An. An. Here are some CVC words that end with an. An. Van. Van. An. Fan. Fan. An. Man. Man. An. Can. Can. Great job, kids! Let's try again. Van. Fan. Man. Can. Good job! The next word ending we'll be looking at is AM. AM says am. Can we say it together? Am. Am. Here are some CVC words that end with am. Am. Ram. Ram. Am. Yam. Yam. Am. Jam. Jam. Ham. 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 Great job, kids. Let's try again. Ram. Yam. Jam. Ham. Great job, kids! You did it! Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. See you soon!